Okay, so hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal, no contact reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of December. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. So let's start. Cancer, I'm sorry about the background noises. Bear with me, please. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Oh God. We have the 10 of swords, the 9 of swords, and the 4 of wands. Whoa. So Cancer, this is someone who is feeling, I can't waste my whole life in worrying. Instead of worrying, I'm going to focus on things or people or situation that is going to give me a stable and beautiful vibe of commitment. Now, this is not related to only romantic commitment or romantic relationships. This person is kind of focused on every area of your life, every area of their life, and wherever they are focusing on stability, happiness, long term partnership, goals. So right now they're transmuting this pain of this end of this chapter with you into this energy of, okay, let's create a stable base for our future, for their individual future, not with you. So it's like right now they are not considering you as the factor of creating the stable base for their life the way they wanted with you at some point of time. Maybe right now they feel like they should create this stability, this happiness in every area of your in every area of their life. Why the hell am I keep on saying your I'm stuck on you. Cancer, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the King of Swords, the Sun, and the Knight of Swords. Their intention is to clear the air with you. Wow, I don't know what kind of messy situation it was between you guys. Maybe you guys had a fallout, like a ugly fallout, or you guys had some kind of miscommunication or misunderstandings. But this person wants to clear the air with you so that they can clearly tell you what is going on and what happened and now what they are up to, and now like what they are feeling about the situation, and wants to know the same from your side as well. It's like coming towards you with naked truth. This is what they want. Hmm. Like, this is the truth of my situation. This is my whole truth from my side. This is it. You tell me your side. This is what they want. This kind of open communication where even if it is going to bother you or it is going to bother them, they are not caring about that. They just want to be very clear about their energies, about their truth, about the situation between you and them. Okay, a lot of about and you. So it's all about you, Cancer. Okay. Let's see, honey, what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of December, Cancer? We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Swords. Wow. So, Cancer, someone is coming towards you, but they are not being honest with you. They are not being honest with you. It's like they want to clear the air with you. They want to tell you the truth about something or someone, and they want to the same from your side as well. But when they're coming towards you, when they're taking the initiative to come towards you, they're not going to be 100% honest with you. Either they're going to lie to you about a person that they're already connected to, that you don't know about, and or they're going to pretend that they're completely single and they are not keeping their options open, or they are you are just the only person that they're connected to or something like that. So I do see some kind of action from this person's side with the very deceiving energy, with a very deceptive kind of energy, where they're definitely going to hide something or someone from you and that they should be telling you about. Now it could be some person, it could be some situation, it could be something that you have the right to know about. Definitely you have the right to know about something that they are trying to hide from you, but they are trying to pretend to connect with you on that superficial level of, okay, everything is fine, we can connect, and there's nothing that I have to tell you, there's nothing that I have to show to you or whatever. So even if this person is coming towards you, there's a lot of deception that's coming along with them. Now it's your choice, honey, if you want to connect with this person or just stay away from them, because they are not truthful and honest with you the way they should. God. So from the universe, the guidance for you is put in the effort and energy in this direction only if you feel this direction is the right direction for you. If not, put in the effort and energy in the right direction where you know you are going to get good results, good returns. If this person and you tried multiple times and you are failing every time, you should understand that this person or situation is not meant for you, at least for the time being. And plus the deceptive energies from this person's side is kind of making it more difficult. Gosh. So up to you now. I'll leave it up to you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.